Hi there. So this video is about the parallel park in the UK driving test. Now, if they pull you over on the side of the road to do this manoeuvre, they're going to say to you, right, ahead of you is a car. I want you to get yourself parallel to the car, reverse back behind the car, finish being reasonably close to the curb within 2 car lengths. That's what they say to you. And they give you enough time. Some people say, how much time have I got? Well, as much as you need it in a certain way, because like if you're having to give way to all the cars going past, then you can't do it, so you have to wait. But if it's completely clear and there's no one stopping you, you're talking probably about a minute and a half, you'll have it done, something like that, easy, 2 minutes max. So they'll give you quite a few minutes to get it done. But a couple of things that can go wrong, just to be aware of. You could be doing the parallel park, and as you're coming towards the curb, you could be too wide. As you can see in this little quick video here, you're too wide, and if you're too wide, you've got to bring yourself closer to the curb. So it means popping back into first gear, looking round, bring yourself forward, and then pop it in reverse, bring yourself back. So you're kind of doing little shunts forward and backwards. Or you could do in this little video here, where as you're coming towards the curb, your back wheel on the left is going to hit the curb. You think, I don't want to do that. So you might have to do a shunt forward again. Okay, so I'm hoping this quick video helps to clear these things up. Give it the thumbs up if you're new to it and you like it, and if you like my channel, subscribe. Take care, good luck with the manoeuvre, and good luck with the driving lessons and the driving test. So have a good look round, make sure there's nothing coming. Bring ourselves out to go past the car. As we're going to drive past it, get yourself parallel. Straighten your wheels up when you're slowing down to stop. So the end of the car is level with the wing mirror. Handbrake, reverse, have a look round, and reverse back slowly. So the back of the cars are level. One full turn left, have another look round, the car swinging out. The angle to bring you towards the curb, you can see it heading towards the curb. Looking round, right turn, bringing it slowly in. Right turn. If you're getting close, you can put more on. We're getting a little bit close then, so it swings it in. Straighten ourselves up, looking behind us, and then slowing down, stop.